has been home to life for billions of years. But most of that life didn't survive. From single cells to T-Rex to us. And yet Earth keeps resetting. At first, we were just cells, wiggling in warm volcanic water. Earth's story is written in ash, lava, and bones. Today, you'll live through all 5 mass extinction events, and maybe the 6th. Let's start from the beginning. 500 million years ago, Earth was an ocean world, full of weird creatures. Then came the Ice Age, freezing oceans, killing 85% of marine life. Some species were better at chilling than others. You don't age, you don't die, you just wait for millions of years. Before forests, before dinosaurs, the oceans were kings. Oxygen ran out, reefs collapsed. 75% of species died. A slow-motion apocalypse under the sea. But survivors found land, and life moved on. You're still here, but the oceans have moved on. Earth heals and reinvents. Forests rise like silent empires. Then came fire. 90% of all life gone. 250 million years ago, the worst extinction in Earth's history. Volcanoes, poison gas, acid rain. 96% of marine life gone. 70% on land. Somehow, one guy always finds a way to adapt. But a few furry creatures survived, ancestors of mammals. It took millions of years, but life found a way. Life didn't bounce back. It crawled out of ash. Then came the age of dinosaurs. Before dinosaurs claimed the crown, monstrous reptiles ruled with tooth and terror. Small, fast, clever. They weren't giants yet, but they were coming. You've survived hell. Now your dinner. Until a burst of greenhouse gases wiped out 75% again. You've seen life die, and now rise again, bigger than ever. Earth finally relaxed, and giants took their time to rule. They weren't all monsters. Some just wanted lunch. If size didn't kill you, speed and brains would. You're not sure what's scarier, the T-Rex or your own bad luck. A space rock 6 miles wide sealed the fate of giants. In seconds, 75% of all life vanished, including your little dino friend. They were small, furry, and patient, and they inherited the Earth. Mammals inherited a broken world and evolved into us. Your new ride, 12 feet tall and built like a tank. This was Earth's final golden age of giants, and you were there for it. Ice Age rule number 1, don't set yourself on fire. Now, we may be triggering extinction number 6. This time, it's not asteroids or volcanoes, it's us. Climate change, pollution, habitat loss. Extinction is accelerating. Efforts are being made, but time is short. Hope lies in awareness, science, and action. Because Earth will survive, the question is, will we? So, what if you did live through every extinction? Maybe you'd learn how not to cause the next.